Hello. Hello. I'm audible. Okay, attendance done. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, audible. Today's
Yes, sir.
topic is an overview for water and health. This is the topic of the second unit. This is the last topic. Uh, what is the water and health? Anyone define? Anyone can? What is the water and health? Water is the very important for the everyday, for your health. Anyone define water and health? Water every day is very important for your health. Okay, drinking water can prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause unclear thinking. Okay, then result in the mood change. And is the cause your body to overheat and lead to constipation, the kidney stones. What is the very helpful for your body? This is the water and health. How to define the overview for water and health? How to define? Anyone? No. Water is not important for your health. Important. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Water. How to define water and health? Overview.
सर आपका वॉइस ठीक नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay. Now clear.
सर आपका वॉइस ठीक से नहीं आ रहा.
Now audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay. So how to define overview for water and health? Water is important for your life.
Yes, sir. It is
Yes or no?
very important.
How define?
Yes, sir.
Is very important. Water is a very important.
Without water, not
Yeah. Speak.
without water, nothing is possible. Not, any life is not possible. For a drinking we are human beings as a drinking purpose and lots many things, sir.
Okay, good. So what is the very important for your life? That is for your health. Water helps your body keeps a normal temperature. This is the advantage of your, advantage of water. Water and health. Without water, your health is not good. This the water is the getting enough water every day is important for your health. Drinking water can prevent dehydration, a condition that can cause unclear thinking, and is the result in the mood change. Okay. This is the 5 essential elements. All living have the 5 essential elements in the atmosphere. Which 5 elements? Related to the water and health. Without 5 elements, you're not living in the atmosphere. First, air, space, earth, water, and fire. This is the 5 essential element. Okay. Without these 5 elements, you're not living in the atmosphere. This is the very important for your life. And this is the okay. This is the very important. How
Yes,
do air
sir.
is important for your life?
Without air, we are not breathing, sir.
Okay, and is a space? A space. Anyone? What is the space? This is related to the atmosphere. Okay. This is no distinct boundary for this the atmosphere and space. This is the line of the imaginary line from the surface called is the space. Earth. What is earth? No. You living in earth. Water is the very
Yes,
important.
sir.
Fire is the very important. Okay, this 5 essential element is the very important for your life. Without this essential element, you not live in the atmosphere. Okay, there is the air, water, earth, agni, akash. ये हम लोग this is the 5 elements. What is age? Age is the very important for your life. Age. Anyone define age? Age is very types of meanings. Age. Age is human, Homo means happiness, health, hand, health. This is related to the your health, water and health. House to house, hepatitis, H2O, holistic approach. This is the form of age. This is the very important for the age word. Okay.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Network issues always disconnect. Okay, now you're audible. Okay, audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the first one is health. What is health? Anyone define health? There's a double defined as the physical, mental, and social. As social helping the human, not merely absence of illness. This is called health. Environmental health, the control of all those factors in the man's physical environment, which exercise. What is the physical exercise from the main in environment? Which type of physical exercise related to environment, or makes exercise a deleterious effect on his physical development, health, or survival? Your physical work is the very control the all types of the environmental health. Exercise means physical environmental exercise is very important. This exercise deleterious effect on his physical development, health, and or survival. Okay. Then now this is the depend on three factors: health, economics, and social. Health. Health is wealth. Your health is not good. Social. How to relate to social with health, economics? Anyone? This is the three factor depend on health, social, and economics. This is the three factors. It's very important for your life. Without health, you not live. Without social, you not live. Economics is very important. For survive, is money is the very important. So this is the economics. Okay. This is the environmental disease. In the host, disease is depend on three factors: disease, host, environment, and agent. Midpoint are disease, and remove the 3 points as a host, the environment as the agent. Our environment is good, your disease not touch your body. Any types of disease. Always keep the environment health. How to make the healthy environment? How to make?
Growing plants.
Yeah, growing plants on anyone or any? Only growing plant.
No, sir. Reduce waste.
Use waste material.
And recycle.
Recycle and reuse.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then now.
Yes.
How to maintain the environment, environmental condition? How to maintain? Environmental conditions are unhealthy, then your atmosphere is very bad. The first one is first point: maintain the resources, natural resources, not disturb the natural resources. Okay. Disease, healthy, health, nutrition, sanitation, personal hygiene, and environment. This is a communicated dose to variance equal to unity. Non-communicable is the environment, lifestyle, and genetics. This is a disease. The environmental factor is the very important for the humans and animals. Environment conditions is not good. This the human is not survive easily. Environment unhealthy, this is the human unhealthy. Environment is good, thus living person is a very good under condition. Okay. Then now environment. What is environment? Anyone define? Actually, I already discussed day to day environment. What is environment? The sum total of all external conditions and influences that affect the life and development of an organism. They depend on the 4 factors: physical environment, biological environment, social environment, economic environment. How to define the physical and biological, social, economic? What is physical environment? Anyone? Anyone? What is physical environment? No, anyone give the answer? Hmm? The physical environment is the includes live, learn, work, and play. This the people interact with their physical environment through the air they breathe, water, and drink. Okay, this is the physical environment. Biological environment. What is biological environment? What is biological environment? No, anyone? Nothing, give the answer. This is biological environment is the depend on the factors, many factors. Wild animals, plants, bacteria, these are the biological environment. Social environment. Social environment. Living person.
Society.
Society. Economic environment.
Yes.
Yeah, society
Yes,
is a social environment. How to develop the society? A social environment is the good. How to develop? Quarrel each other.
we make a we make a good society, then the social environment is good.
Yeah, good. Okay, economic. Economic environment.
Our economic condition is uh, sir, economic condition are good, then economic environment is good.
Yeah, good. Now, economic is related to the economics is money. Without money, not any work.
Yes, sir.
The economic environment is the
Yes, sir.
externality factor. This is a buying habit of the consumers and business, and that affect the performance of a environment. Actually, weak in economic, then environment is bad. Economic is good, the environment is good. Okay, this is the four factors. What is ecology? Also known as bionomics. Relation between the organisms and their environment. This is the ecology. Water body is the relation to the ecology. This type of water body it is relation to the ecology. Example, Cryptosporidium may become infected after eating ice made from contaminated water. You see, in the village area, ice sailed with the ice in the box, and one man person, and move to move village. Red, yellow, this color is ice cream. So this is made from the contaminated water. This is not in the fresh water. This ice made from the polluted water. Not seeing the this water is the clean treated water. So this is very important. This is ice made infected after the eating ice made from the contaminated water. Can be spread through person to person contact. This disease can spread through person to person contact. Changing these diapers, touching any body part, his faces can be present. This is a primary source. This is cattle. Other animals and humans can be infected. This is the water body is in relation to ecology. This is current situation COVID. Spread the through person to contact person to person. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the nature of the where water and food is the air is the life without air 3 minutes. Water is 3 days and food is the 3 weeks. This is normally cliche. The distribution of earth water. How to distribution of the earth water? First is the earth water, fresh water, and fresh surface water liquid. This is the fresh water. Saline ocean 97%. In the earth water is the saline in 97%. Okay, there are only 3% of fresh water available in the earth surface. Only fresh water 3%. And the earth water is totally 100% of the earth water. Then 97% is the saline, which is ocean, and only 3% available in the fresh. Then fresh water, ice cap and glacier 68.7%. From this the earth water. The groundwater is a 30.1% and others is a 0.9%. This is the distribution of the earth surface water. Then after and the fresh surface liquid 87% of lake. Swamps is the 11% and the rivers is the 2%. So this is the water distribution on the earth. Actually, in India, in earth, see only 1% use the water for the drinking purpose. Only 1% drinking, cooking, bathing. This is only 1% available in the water. The fresh water available 3% of the all over the earth water. Okay, then now this is the water cycle. Of the hydrological cycle, all are known. How do the move the hydrological cycle? For the condensation, precipitation. Okay. The condensation, cloud form, evaporation, surface runoff. So this is the hydrological cycle. All are known about the hydrological cycle. What is the first
Your
step?
voice is fully breaking.
What is the first step of hydrological cycle?
Evaporation.
Evaporation. Okay. Then now condensation, cloud.
Condensation.
Yeah. Evaporation and transpiration. This is the first step, na? Then precipitation. Then
सर आपका पूरा
सर आपका आवाज ही नहीं आ रहा है.
आपका वॉइस पूरा ब्रेक कर रहा.
actually this is a very big network issue. This network is lost. Now audible? Hello?
Yes, sir. Now
Okay,
audible.
okay. First step is the
Yes, sir. Now
Yes, sir.
first step is the evaporation and transpiration. Then is the condensation from the cloud form. Then is the precipitation and the last runoff. This is the water cycle. Any problems in? Any doubt? Evaporation, transpiration is the first step. Condensation, the cloud form, then precipitation, and there's the surface runoff. Then last one is the accumulation. Then recycle. Evaporation, concentration, precipitation, surface runoff, accumulation. This is the water cycle. Okay. What is a waterborne disease? What is waterborne disease? This is a waterborne, transported and supported by water. disease and abnormal or harmful condition. The waterborne disease make the abnormal and the human harmful condition. This is the waterborne disease. इसलिए in life, what is the very important for your life is you drink fresh water always, not in the contaminated water. In the current situation, you not use the contaminated water, the indirect bore well water. You directly drink the only purified water, treated water. Okay. Modifying bodily classification disease on the related to disease. This is the fecal-oral disease, waterborne disease, water-washed disease, water-based disease, water-related disease, water dispersed disease. This is many type of disease from the water. Okay, this is the classification of the badly classified modified disease from the water. Okay, this is the fecal-oral, waterborne, water-washed, water-based, water-related, and water dispersed disease. This is the many types of disease. How are they transmitted? This is the contaminated water sources, polyfunctional water treatment system. This is the directly transmitted in your body. The prevention method, water chlorination, drinking bottled water, tips of foreign country. But in India, not use the drinking water bottle water. Actually, I always moved in the one city to other cities. You always prefer the minerals water, not is the regular water, because you suppose you stay in the Chaivasa in lastly 1 years. Okay, your body is the absorb these types of mineral from the Chaivasa. Your body is adjusted in this environment condition, but you again you move the village. Okay, this is the prevention method is the water chlorination and drinking bottle water use the. Okay, then you travel time and not use the regular water, you use the minerals water, because your body the suppose you travel to the Chaivasa to your village, the team during this time you drink the only mineral water, not is the regular water, because your body the settle on the is one minerals. Okay, then you use the regular water, the body the disbalance, hormones disbalance, then you increase the disease in your body. Okay, then now symptoms, which types of symptoms during the use the contaminated water. The symptoms, diarrhea, can be bloody, abdominal pains, typhoid fever. This is the very important. Typhoid fever is the from the waterborne disease. Okay, essential bleeding, headache, coughing. There is the symptoms of the waterborne disease. Okay, use the contaminated water, then your body comes symptoms for the typhoid fever, abdominal pains, diarrhea. Okay, any problems? Any question? I am audible. I am audible or not? Audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Oh, sir, not any doubt.
okay. You all are the symptoms for the water body. You all are known. Water-related disease. Bradley classification is a water-related disease is one which in the some way is related to the water or to impurities within water. This is the biological classification. Water-borne disease is the biological form. Bacteria, fungus. Okay, non-infectious, non-specific water-related disease. Okay, non-infectious water-related disease. Water-borne disease is also called biological aspect disease, further classified into the caused by the presence of infective agent. Okay, and due to the presence of aquatic host. This is presence of aquatic host is bacteria, viruses. Okay, so this is the biological disease in the two form, presence of infective agent and the presence of the aquatic host. This is a waterborne disease caused by infective agent, caused by the infecting agents, viral and bacterial. I have discussed viral hepatitis A and E, poliomyelitis, rotavirus. Actually, rotavirus infection, rotavirus diarrhea. Actually, now currently a small baby, born a small baby one before the 1 year, rotavirus injection is available for the baby. In currently, but before 5 to 6 years, rotavirus is not available. The current rotavirus injection is available for the baby. This is related to diarrhea. This is a waterborne disease. Any types of viral from the waterborne disease infected, the protect the this type of injection. So viral hepatitis, poliomyelitis, rotavirus, diarrhea, bacterial, typhoid, okay, typhoid and paraphyte fever, Beckley dysentery, E. coli diarrhea, and cholera. Cholera is the big disease. Some years before, the currently just like this COVID-19, just like the cholera, this many people's death from this disease. Okay, this is caused by infective agents. Then now the protozoal, helminth, leptospirale. Okay, protozoal is abensis and gadesis. Helminthic, round dome, third dome. Okay, habitat disease. And the leptospirale is Wales disease. These are the disease spread from the waterborne disease. Due to the presence of an aquatic host, which type of disease present or presence of the aquatic host? Sanil and cyclops. Okay, the Xenian worm cyclops and the fish tapeworm. This is a disease from the aquatic host live in the water. Okay, the two diseases the presence of the aquatic host in the live in the water. The disease from the waterborne. Non-specific, non-infectious water-related disease. These diseases are due to the either excess or differences of certain chemicals in the water. This is the chemical hazards, lead poisoning, endemic ghoster dental caries, fluorisis, infantile methomology, mania. Okay, that is the non-specific and non-infectious water-related disease. Okay. Then now, basic environmental health interventions. There is a provision of the safe water supply. The treated water, not the supply the contaminated water. This is a basic environmental health. Provision of the safe water supply. Okay, safe disposal of waste. Not that dispose the waste on the open area. Okay. Suppose you live in the society and you waste on the roof, throw in the road. So you dispose the waste in the dustbin, then you dispose in the safe disposal area, the safe area, not in the any is to enter this area. Always waste dump the waste dumping area. Food sanitation, safe housing, vector control. These are the environmental health. Control the environmental health. The control of communicable and zoonotic disease. Control of pollution in air, water, and soil. How to control air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. So this is the human activities. Depend on human activities. Control the pollution. No any types of waste discharge in the water bodies. No any types of waste directly dispose of soil. Okay, so this is a controlling pollution pollution controlling system under the in the human activities. Okay, control of occupational hazards. Occupational hazards. So these are the basic of the environmental health. How to develop the environment health. Okay, this is the basic provision. There is a 3 points is very important. First one is the water supply is very important. Safe water supply. Okay, and the control of pollution, air, water, and soil. This is the very important. The safe disposal of waste and food sanitation. This is the 4 point is the very important. These 4 points you control, then your pollution is the control. The environment is the healthy, not is the unhealthy. This is the basic provision of the environmental health. Okay, any question? Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Historical aspect and current status of the environment, water and health. The current status of the water and health. This was since ancient time emphasis on safe food, water, clothing, housing, and waste disposal. This is the important factor. This is the ancient time. Safe food. Who you eat the safe food, water, clothing, housing, and waste disposal. Okay, sewerage and drainage system were developed Mohenjo-daro near Indus.
Sir, safe food means to say healthy food.
Yeah, healthy food. Safe food is a healthy food, not the unhealthy food.
Yes, sir.
You always eat the safe food. Okay, this clothing. Clothing, what is clothing? What is the safe water? Safe food, safe water, safe clothing, safe housing, and waste disposal. Relate. Safe water is a treated water. Safe clothing, dirty cloth, wear. A clean cloth wear.
Sir, clean cloth.
Clean cloth. Many
Clean
students,
cloth, sir.
one cloth wear the 3 days, 4 days continuously. This is right or wrong?
Wrong thing, sir.
Wrong thing. Okay, matlab in a student life,
Yes, sir.
in a student life, not in the regular life, in a student life. Okay, this
Sir, 2 days is enough.
2 to 3 days. One dress wear the 2 to 3 days. And winter season, 1 week. Complete 1 week in the one dress. This is right. Wrong. Yeah,
In
wrong.
the student life, that this is right.
Right. In winter condition, one dress complete the days of 10 days, 1 week, 10 days. It's like